Hey everyone, so today I am taking down a ceiling, reboarding it. I'm going to get a bit of help from Spence in the morning, which is ideal for me. But yeah, it's just a little job today. Let's go. So I got Spence to follow the lines. We found these by putting a screw and finding out where the joist was. So found where the joist was, found the middle of it, and then we just struck a line across it, and Spence is going to cross it with the multi-tool. That's the easiest way of doing it. Spencer's just taken the light out, so that's all sorted. So we're just going to cut this little bit here, get this down. It's got some insulation that needs changing as well. So yeah, it's looking good so far. Just gonna get a bit of insulation for over there. We're just gonna go cut some boards and bring them up. Right, so I scrimmed and beaded. I'm just going to chuck it on now. Right, let's go to head cam. the ceiling's done, all patched in. Put most of the furniture back now, so yeah, end of today. Right, just gotta get the rest of my stuff down. Let's go. Right guys, so I finished this job now. I'm going to go to my lockup, go and empty my van, and then I'm going to go and get loaded up for tomorrow's job. So this one went really well. Had a big help with having Spence with me this morning, because we had to go up 2 flights of stairs. So with my trestles and with my Youngman boards, it was pretty hard going getting it up there. So having a help really made a big difference this morning. Otherwise I'd definitely still be there now, let alone packing up and going home. So yeah, I'm really happy with how that's gone. Bad day so far. It's been really warm. Can't believe how hot it's been. So when you are cutting out for plasterboard, because you want to find where your joists are, I think I mentioned how I did it in a video, but I can't remember if I have. But yeah, so basically I put screws in where I knew where the joists were running down, and I basically made sure that I'd found the center of the joist. So that involves putting 3 screws in, and you find where the middle is, you leave that screw in, and then you do the same further along, and then you get your level and you just cut a line all the way through it, so that when you do come to cut it, it just makes life a lot easier. And the tool I use for cutting is my multi-tool, because it is brilliant for that. It takes all the stress. So when you're using a knife, it's a lot more dangerous to do, and also you never really get a perfect line when you're doing it. So that's why I'd recommend using a multi-tool. I'm using the Makita one, it's cordless. It's an 18-volt one, and it is absolutely bob on. I've had a few different multi-tools. I've got some from Aldi, and they're just as good, but they did burn out after a while. Any sort of multi-tool just makes everything a lot easier. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like and a subscribe. Cheers to everyone who has subscribed now. I hit my goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers now, so I am now on to the next milestone. So yes, thank you very much guys. I'll catch you on the next video next Tuesday. Cheers.